Things to consider when choosing O-rings. When it comes to sealing performance, choosing the right O-ring is crucial. Here are 5 important factors to keep in mind. First, consider the operating temperature. Each elastomer operates within a specific temperature range. For extreme cold temperatures, -40 degrees Fahrenheit, or below, silicone and fluorosilicone are preferred. Need heat resistance? FKM Viton can handle up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit with ease. For mid-range temperatures, EPDM, HNBR perform reliably up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Choose the right elastomer to meet your temperature demands. The right material helps avoid costly leaks and extends machine life. Elastomers like EPDM and Viton offer low compression set, while HNBR and NBR provide high mechanical strength. O-rings typically handle pressure up to 1,500 psi. For high-pressure systems, choose stronger materials, reduce the extrusion gap, or add a backup ring for better performance. We manufacture one-piece molded large O-rings using a 1,000-ton compression press, capable of producing diameters up to 1,500 millimeters. Harkesh Rubber offers precision-made O-rings built for high performance, durability, and sealing excellence. Get in touch with our experts to find the right O-ring for your needs.